Hi, I'm George, and a few months ago I quit my job to fulfill my dream of travelling the world full time.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya. I met George in India in an art gallery, and ever since we are traveling together and having so much fun.
And this is a story about how we ended up in this situation.
No.
I'm recording all this, by the way.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you're not going
Back the fuck up!
We wanted to visit some waterfalls in the area and checked the Google reviews. Keywords such as scammers and mafia kept coming up. Place is beautiful, but local people make it a horrible experience. Said 5 people started to follow them. Biggest scam mafia in the whole of Bali, be careful. Don't go. This is guarded by a local hiking mafia that will not let you go without using their guides. They back it up with threat of violence. There isn't a government rule requiring mandatory guides, just a bunch of guys making up their own rules and using intimidation techniques to force you to pay their fees. And there's just countless more, like 1-star reviews, warning about the mafia. But there's also a lot of good 5-star reviews, so we decided to just be careful and risk it and go anyway. We also read this article before going that said, you do not need a tour guide to go there. Don't be fooled or pressured into believing that you do.
We started up early that morning to visit the famous waterfalls in Lemukih village of Bali. After 2 hours on our bike, we reached Lemukih village. Know that these waterfalls are kept hidden by the locals. No signboards to it, the route is not signposted, and Google Maps would lead you straight to one of the local mafia's booths. To be extorted financially for natural attractions is ridiculous.
We've almost arrived at the first place, which is Lemuihi Waterslide. It's a natural water slide that goes down a waterfall. We're really excited. It's been so hard to find it. Down very narrow path, and tried to get scammed a few times by guides. So if you do come here, just ignore all the guides. They'll try and charge money, but you don't need to. You can just come here on your own.
Attempted to go to Sekumpul Waterfall, however we were confronted by thugs right at the entrance.
Okay, you can take and then we will complain. Like we know our motorbike,
yes,
we will complain.
basically not entering from here because we have a regulation here. Wait a moment.
Yeah, you're not going
Back the fuck up!
Hey, no.
I'm recording all this, by the way.
Yeah, it's okay.
We'll go to the police.
No.
This
Wait
is for the
here.
police.
Don't entering to the waterfall. Please.
You wanna
don't
harass
entering
a
to the
girl?
waterfall.
You wanna harass
Waiting
a girl?
there.
No,
Waiting
we will
there.
not.
Yeah.
Hold it.
Why are you trying to stop us?
The worst mistake of your life.
Don't entering, please. Don't entering.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this.
This is my village.
So?
My area, not your village. Why you not follow my rule?
We just tried to go to Fiji Waterfall. The absolute disaster. There were fake tour guides that we were warned about from reading them online outside the gate. They said it's compulsory to have a guide when we both know it wasn't. So we tried to force our way past, got into a massive problem, bit of a fight, so we just left. And instead we come to this Breeze Terrace restaurant. Very nice.